Hey everyone, it's Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial. We are here in Boston, Massachusetts at Econocorp, and I'm talking with Sam Goldberg, the CEO. Sam, how you doing today, man?
Great, how are you?
Doing great. Thanks so much for inviting me out here, for showcasing your floor and your technology. You guys have been in the packaging industry for 60 years. It's a family generation company, and you guys are bringing some really cool solutions to the industry. Can you talk about the different processes and products that you guys focus on?
Sure, so we really see three main levels. Level one is, hey, I'm doing everything by hand and I'm gluing boxes by hand. I don't want to glue boxes by hand. Maybe it's very manual labor intensive. So we start as simple as an operator erects a box, folds some flaps, loads the product, and all we're doing is glue sealing. Level two is the operator and the team says, hey, I don't want to open the box by hand. So we make machines where the box comes, it's erected into a load station. It's loaded by hand and then we're sealing. And then you go into fully automated systems where it's anything from full product auto load to using robotics and as much integration as someone requires and needs.
And that's really the great focus of you guys are helping companies really automate these processes at any level. And the one thing that's really exciting about it is you guys have a lot of cool brands. When I was walking the show floor and here and seeing what you guys have worked with Tide, you've worked with Scrub Daddy, you've working with some, the small brands as well, but also the massive companies.
Yeah, it really just depends what someone's production needs really are. Our sweet spot is anywhere from 4,000 to 30,000 cartons in an 8-hour shift. And some of the big brands don't need the really expensive automation solutions to fit their specific needs for that product. And I think that's one of the really cool things about what we do is like a lot of people are sold, you need more automation, the more you can do is the better. And that's not really always the case. Starting simple can produce a really quick ROI, sometimes in a matter of weeks instead of over several years. And it's almost a no-brainer at that point for companies.
And with a lot of your equipment that you've been around for a long time, you guys are bringing new technology to that equipment. I think one of the great examples is behind us, you had a lot of air cylinder processes and you moved more to electric to increase throughput, to create flexibility. Can you talk more about that?
Yeah, so specifically behind you, we have our beverage Spartan, and it has a Linmont actuator as an infeed to load the cans into the box. And one of the really cool things is it used to be a 30 cycle a minute machine on a 4 and a 6 pack with air cylinders, and with the Linmont we've been able to unlock a new capability of being able to go to 40, and that increase is just unbelievably exponentially great. And then on top of it, you also get the added benefit of being able to set different home positions. It's a click of a button. It makes the operator's life easier in the field. It makes changing over easier in the field, and the customers love it.
Well, if you guys want to learn more about Econocorp, they're going to be at Pack Expo. In fact, they've been a member of PMMI for years. You guys have been exhibiting on the floor for 40 or 50 years, and I found some really cool old pictures up on the wall that was showcasing that. So if you guys want to see them in person, come to Chicago, visit Econocorp at Pack Expo. Sam, I really appreciate your time today.
Thank you
for coming. It was really fun seeing all the cool brands. I'm going to walk out with some of the demos that you guys have because you have so many cool things here. And of course, we'll see you guys soon.